Windshield wipers. This is a brand new one with the cover guard still on the blade. This is the shorter one for my passenger side window. This is a RAV4. I have a longer one for the driver's side window. And I have my existing wiper blade, my old wiper blade, sitting here on my windshield with a little towel underneath it. And you'll see the reason for that towel in a moment. The very first step, you want to actually remove your old blade. Now with this particular one, with this Toyota model, you have to actually pop the little lever with a screwdriver, and mine actually kind of breaks off if you're not careful. There you go. And then you turn the blade a little bit, and there's another little mechanism in here. You actually want to press this and kind of squeeze it a little bit, and what that does, that loosens it off of a metal hook, and you'll see that metal hook in a second. I'll take my finger out of there and kind of push, and it kind of slides off. And now that metal hook is where you're going to put your new wiper. Now, why do we have the towel? Because when this thing comes down, you don't want that to hit your windshield and scratch it up. So I have the towel there to protect the windshield from that metal hook. So here is my new wiper. And the way you open these, they actually are very easy to install. You squeeze the side. You see the side of the two little lines or three little lines there? You kind of squeeze and you kind of pull them up. There we go. All right, and what's going to happen is this. You pull them up, your hook is going to go through, when this piece is up, it's going to go through the outside, and the hook will actually then click into a little mechanism there. There's a little bar in there for it to click on, and you close it up. There you go. Now your windshield wiper is installed. Before you actually use it, you want to remove this green guard. So I'm going to take this green guard off, and I now have my windshield wiper is now ready to go. You can repeat that on the driver's side, and you'll have two new windshield wipers in a matter of minutes. And how do my new windshield wipers work? Let's give them a test. They work pretty well. My windshield's a little dirty, but this is getting all the water off and even cleaning off some of the dirt. And the water's rolling back down off my roof, but nice and clear. I can actually see when the water is hitting. They're very easy to install. These are some darn good windshield wipers.